I've got bad news. My tomato plants did not make it last night. I did not cover them up. It got about 40 degrees last night, and they are done. So I bought a couple more tomato plants to put in the ground to replace them and try again. Hopefully it doesn't get cold again at night, and I'll have to find some way to maybe cover them up. I know that's what you do, I guess, when it gets cold, but so yeah, bad news, but whatever. I'm gonna put the new ones in the ground real quick, and then I've got a project where I am going to paint a shed. And this shed was intended to be a storage shed, but we are going to, I guess, turn it into a guest pad where friends can come and stay in it. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. I thought I buried them deep enough, but I guess I didn't. Sad. Also, yeah, my basil, God, it smells so good, did not survive either. I've got 2 oregano babies that I'm gonna put in the ground. I haven't decided where yet. I don't have a designated spice box or anything, but yeah. Unfortunately, all my squashes completely, they took a two, so I just bought a whole bunch of cucumbers I saw today at the store, so I'm gonna replace my squashes with the cucumbers, and then maybe grab a few more squashes if I can find some that are at the local grocery store. They come from a local garden, so that's what I wanted. Yeah, they did not make it. Wow. Yeah, didn't make it. Well, I do like cucumbers, so that's cool. We'll put some cucumber in the ground. I just hope it doesn't get so cold. Like, it's supposed to be summertime, and it's just getting so cold at night, and it's killing all the stuff in my garden. So I'm like kind of sad about it. I've had to restart like a couple times. I mean, I guess I should like cover them up, and like look at the weather, and I should be like on top of that, I guess, is probably what I'm gonna have to do, because I am in Michigan and it's definitely cold. But to be honest with you, my best garden, I didn't start until June, so it's June 1st today. So with that being said, feels like I'm right on time, honestly. good news though. Check this out. So this is my pride and joy right here. This is a locally picked green apple. I took a seed from it and I planted it, and they said that green apples don't grow in Michigan. So I just was like, you know what? I bet if there's a will, there's a way. So I'm gonna do it. And I germinated a seed from scratch myself. And then this is about maybe 2.5, going on 3 years old right now. And she survived winter again. She's beautiful. And I'm super happy to have her. But yeah, I grew this baby from the seed up. So I'm very proud of her. For fun, I put a really big smiley sunflower in the ground. It's gonna be, you know, taller than me one day. So I thought that was pretty cool. Pretty much the only things that survived the 40-degree weather last night was my collard greens. I have 1, 2, 3 collard green bushes that are gonna be pretty big, and I love collard greens, so I definitely wanted those in the garden again. But my peppers, they don't look like they're gonna come back, but I might leave them just in case. I don't know, if I come out here tomorrow and they're just not making it, I'll pull them. I'll just plant my oregano right here. Oh, sorry. I'll just plant my oregano right here. And call it a day. I might try to harvest the oregano, and once it's nice, big and bushy, I might try to harvest it and dehydrate it myself or something and turn it into a spice. I don't know. I think that's probably what I'll end up doing. I love oregano in everything I do. I even use oregano as a medicine. If I feel sick or any type of anything, I immediately grab some oregano pills and I take them and I immediately get better. So I think oregano is like a miracle plant. Okay, I've got everything in the garden replanted. I'm gonna get some more stuff maybe this week or whatever, and then I'll see what happens. I just hope it doesn't get down too low and kill my plants again. So my parsley survived last night. My cilantro survived. My onions are doing really good. And yeah, the sunflower, the apple tree, the sunflower, that all survived. Collard greens survived. I've got something super cute to show you though. Check this out. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a baby strawberry. Look at how cute that is. Yep. These are going to be strawberries too. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries right there. And then this has 1, 2, 3 on it. Probably those flowers are going to turn into strawberries. So, oh, look. There's a 5th one. 5. Okay, so that's 4, 5, 6 on this one. Wow. And then here's another little, oh my goodness, look. Strawberries. Oh my God. Oh, look at how cute. Those are real strawberries, like real. Like not GMO'd, real. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Yes. Hi, Rocco. We got strawberries, Rocco. Hi, Rocco. You're so handsome. This is a blueberry bush right there. And I got 3 more blueberry bushes. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. So I bought 3 new blueberry bushes, and I put them in the ground. They survived last night. They look like they're doing pretty good. I love blueberries, and I can never have enough. So I'm probably gonna get a million more blueberry bushes in my day. Yeah. I also want to share with you my peach tree, and I don't know if I can like show you the full like grasp of how good this peach tree is doing, but I'm going to try and show you real quick. All of these little, like all the little bulbs like this, they're peaches, baby peaches, and they're everywhere. I mean, look at that, baby peaches. Look at how many are right here. Little baby peaches. They're everywhere. Right there. That's a baby peach. So I probably have, I don't know, over 100 baby peaches on my tree this year. I mean, they're just everywhere you look. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but the birds have made a mess. So I've got to clean that up before we paint this side. So I'm gonna do that really quick. The birds used mud and nested up in here, I guess, during the winter. So that's what I'm cleaning off right now. Oh, there it is right there. Yeah, so that's what the birds did up in there. Yeah. Wow, little nifty birds made their little nest. Come on, little birds. I guess if they want to, they will. Ooh, I am loving this color. We thought we were gonna go for like a military tan, and it ended up being too bright, which here we can see a little contrast. What do you guys think? Do you think I should have stuck with the lighter color, or do you think the darker color was the better way to go? Because I thought it was an eyesore, and I thought the green would blend in with nature a little better. I think I just painted over a bug. I think the little no-see-ums are out right now. They're getting me right now on my arm. We also got everything ready to make the outdoor shower, so we're kind of contemplating on where we want the outdoor shower, on this side, that side, in the back, like what's going to be the best. So that'll be a fun vlog. We're going to make that next. Building the outdoor shower, and we're just doing trial and error right now because we're going off what we think we want right now, and we're going to make our mistakes and then better each little model that we make. It'll get better and better and better as we get our feet wet with building and stuff. So this little prototype may not be the one that we use for every single one, which is, I think that's the fun part about it. You know, you'll fail a little bit. We want to do the A-frame. A-frames are like the real main goal. This is just going to be the practice model. All right, come on over. I want to show you some of the parts that we got for the outdoor shower. These are the batteries we unboxed. They're going to be powering the inverter that's going to be doing the pump to the water heater to the shower head and onto you. I'm so excited. I couldn't be more excited to have this shower complete and done. I think it's going to be pretty, and we're going to have like the wood be like that stained wood look. It's going to be beautiful. Oh, yay. Okay, I have a lot of painting to do. That's pretty much what we're going to be doing for the rest of the evening. Maybe I will get a shot if we end up getting it all the way done. The next time you see this, it will be green. So I'm putting the final touches on some of the painting that we're doing, and then we'll be done for the evening. I gotta go get one of those little mini rollers and get some of these spots with the mini roller, which I probably could do right here with this. It'd be better with the mini roller. Maybe I'll just pause there. Okay, cool. What you think? It looks good, huh, guys? Oh. We realized that we had to paint this first before we could even get the shower project done. So get ready for that series. It's going to be multiple videos getting this shower put together. But I'm very excited about it. So thank you for watching. We're almost done with the shed. See you on the next video.